Everybody, AmpRepairGuy.com, also HardbockElectronics.com. Please like, share, and subscribe. So we have an Al80b in for repair. Customer said he was setting a station up. He connected his key line, went to key it, heard some crackling noises. So he ended up opening up the resistor. He put it dead short on the 12-volt supply. Supply diodes are okay, so I'm going to change the resistor. Needs new SO239s. I'm going to redo the jumpers over here. I take the grid overload board out, not needed in this amp. I've seen them fail, and it can make tuning a pain. So I'm going to take the socket out. I'm going to replace the gas discharge tubes. Tighten up on the lower nuts, then the upper nuts when I put the socket back in, and I'll ground the grid connections right to the metal. The air variable capacitors look okay. I'll touch up on solder joints, clean the rotary switches, and if there's anything else, I'll go over it at the end. Okay, so stay tuned and I'll be back in a bit. Back with the completed Ameritron Al80b. Customer wants a video of it on 40. See right there, see the settings. 1 kW slug. PEP kit is on, going into a bird dummy load. Radio set to roughly audio hello 60 or 70 watts. Audio hello, 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 1 kW, 1 kW, 1 kW, 1 kW, 1 kW, 1 kW, audio tit 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 tit, audio tit 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 tit. Tit tit tit. See, set is working. Show you again. Audio hello, tit 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 tit. Always use an external meter. Never ever go by the internal meter. Always use an external meter. I've told lots and lots of people that. Okay, so I'm going to continue testing the other bands. If they are good, I'll pull the cover off and show you the inside. Of course, after I've shut it off, after it's cooled off, shut it off, high voltage is bled off and unplugged. Okay, so see you guys soon. Stay tuned. Please like, share, and subscribe. So I'm back with the completed Ameritron Al80b. I'll show you what I did. Put in brand new SO239 connectors from Max Gain Systems. Great people over there. Placed that resistor that was damaged. Acts like a fuse for the 12-volt accessory line. Removed the grid overload board. Touched up on some solder joints. Tightened up on hardware. Connected the grid connections on the tube socket to the chassis. Also replaced the gas discharge tubes with brand new ones. There's one of them. And there's the other one. They're the old SO239s. Tighten up on the nuts below the tube socket and the upper ones. Tighten up on the connections on the air variable capacitors. And also the screw nuts that hold them in place underneath. Cleaned the contacts on the band switch and also the contacts on the input rotary switch. And I bent back the metal. Back here was fuses were pushed in a little bit, so it's all good. Getting a brand new Penta lab tube the customer already purchased, and that's about it. Also tightened up on I made sure that the screw over here for this was tight, and I'll use a wrench on it, a 1/4 inch wrench, and it was good. So that's about it. So please like, share, and subscribe. We have another Al80b on the way, and I believe a 922 and some other stuff. So keep them coming. Hope everyone has a great day. Please like, please like, share, and subscribe. AmpRepairGuy.com, also HardbockElectronics.com. 73.